We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x16 V-nose charcoal gray enclosed trailer. This does have your 24 inches of the silver ATP at the nose. Has your jack coupler and safety chains. This does have a screwed charcoal exterior with two Greaseable 3,500 pound axles, brakes on the rear. This trailer does have LED drive lights. This does have a 7-foot interior height with the plywood walls and floors. Has your passenger side entry door with the dome light. This does have a spring assisted rear loading ramp. As well as the passenger side entry door, which does have the RV style lock. Once again, this is the 7x16 V-nose enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.